Good morning, guys. It's Monday, the 26th, I believe. It's almost 7. So Jasmine's currently getting dressed. I am about to get them something to eat. And I guess Isabel, you want to have some cereal too? Yeah, so they're gonna have some cereal, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm gonna make sure her book bag's packed. Yep, and then we're going to school. There she is, with pants on.
Oh, make sure you have my book bag in there.
I put it in there last night. School! Woohoo! She ate, she's dressed, brushed her teeth. Her hair's looking fabulous. Fabulous. Ooh, ooh. It is 7:33, so we're about to get our jackets and stuff on. I'm ready and I'm dressed. And she's dressed, but she cannot be bothered. She's like all about that Cheerio life. Anyway, we're about to head out. Good thing is Isabel gets to come back and finish. Next year when you go to school, though, you can't do that. Alright, we'll be back. Hey, guys! Is that awesome singing?
Yes.
Oh, thank you! She usually says I'm a terrible singer. It's 11:25. I have to remind myself to pick up the camera because I'm not used to doing this during the week, but I really want to. Just close this closet because when it's open, it does not look cute. So what have we done? We got a vlog up. I did. Isabel and I went through all of these. Not all of them. I think I showed. No, I haven't uploaded that vlog yet. But sometimes Jasmine will go over these with Isabel. It's for ages. I don't know if you can see it. 3 to 4. Yes, it comes with these two. Deck 1 and Deck 2, and it's supposed to, yeah, I think this one's a little bit more complicated, so we were working on this one. It has questions, and she's got these ones memorized pretty much, so it has questions on the front and the back, and it gives you the, don't do that, it gives you the answer as well. See, it says like how many buttons fell off this shirt, what is missing from the zebra, and then she answers them, and then the answers on the next page, and then there's more on the other side. So we did that for a while.
You have me take off her top.
No, I'm not taking off her top because then you don't put them back on. We played LOLs. Well, she's been playing LOL. She's got her case. Let me show you. And we have some cold water because that's what she likes to do. This is her LOL case. So she's got all the babies drawing here. Accessories, bottles, dolls, more dolls. It's just crazy. So yes, we've just been here. It's always hard for Isabel when her sister's in school, especially today since we had Jasmine home for so many days. It's like she doesn't know what to do herself. So, but she hasn't asked for that thing behind her, that rectangular thing, and she hasn't asked for any kind of tablet. If I say it, she will. So she's been entertaining herself, and I've been entertaining her. We might do some more learning things in a bit. I picked up the camera though to show you what she was just doing, and she thinks this is a playground. Hold on. Okay, ready? Okay, go.
This feels like a playground.
Yeah, she thinks I'm a playground. Okay, ready? What? What do you mean, boo?
That one's fun. This one not.
What? Okay.
That's not funny either.
Okay, so that's what we would do. Thank you, Isabel. Yes. So we entertain however we must. Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some learning, some letters, some numbers.
Oh.
Yeah, she's not into the conventional way of learning, which is like sit down and let me teach you this, and she's not. Yeah, no, I have to make it fun. I mean, she is 4, so to make it fun for her and make her feel like she's not doing work, she's actually very smart, and when she applies herself, she really gets what we're trying to teach her. But yeah, she's all about playing, and I'm all for it because she's 4. So yep. Okay, I'm ready. Go. I'll sit up there. Come on.
Little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yeah, that's so cute. Good job. Okay, who won?
I don't know.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Who has more?
Me?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. Good job.
Honey, turn again.
One more game, and then we have to eat. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Peace.
Peace out.
My hair is insane today. It's okay.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Make sure to see more vlogs like us.
Yeah.
And don't forget to play games.
Guys, I just have to show you this giant ice cream cone.
It's so cold.
These are the ones from Trader Joe's that we've never tried before. And it was said that there were 6 in there, or 8, something like that. And it's covered in chocolate and there's ice cream, but it's actually really good, right? So yeah, I just have to show you guys how cute this is. Did someone have ice cream? I'm gonna show you what you look like. Let me flip the top up. Ready?
That's Delilah.
Oh, don't put it on your face. Ready? Oh, okay, you did that on purpose.
Can I see?
OMG, like you say.
That was delicious.
Yeah, we're gonna pretty much hold you down, kid. Is it good? What do you think? Give me your review on the tiny ice cream cone from Trader Joe's.
It was amazing.
Tiny ice cream cone from Trader Joe's.
It was amazing.
Yeah? Jasmin's over here. She's doing homework on the laptop. She's reading. Isabel's playing, waiting for her sister to finish. Isabel, let me see that face, girl. Oh, yes. Wait, look at the legs. Wait, I didn't see the legs. Do it again.
Can I let it read to me?
Yeah. Oh.
Let it read to me.
Alright, it is 5. Oh my goodness, it is 5 o'clock. I'm about to start making dinner. And I wish that... Where am I? I'm going to put the screen down so I won't look at it. I wish the kitchen was big enough so I could prop my tripod in here. But I'm going to show you. That is literally... This is my kitchen. That's just the whole thing right there. Actually, let me back up. That's just... Come here, Isabel.
Isabel wants to hear me reading.
Oh, okay, never mind. Read together. Right, well, I wanted to have her to show as a reference, but that's my fridge. Very messy. But yeah, this is, whereas people have giant kitchens to hold all of their pots and pans and seasonings and food and all that, I have just this, and I don't even have much cabinet space. Like, that's that and that. Okay, so I have no space. My stove is in the corner, and then I am trapped in by that. So anyway, I'm gonna make a pasta. That is the easiest thing to make. It's the first thing I ever learned to make. It's very basic pasta. I can show you guys when I'm done. I'll be back. There's dinner. I know it probably doesn't look that appetizing, but it is really good. We got some garlic bread over there. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Tuesday, February 27.
Ready to see what I got on my math test?
Oh, I forgot about that math test.
A 96.
What? Yes. Good job. I'm so proud of you. I'll look at this in detail, but that is what I like.
90s. She likes the 90s.
I like the 90s.
I like the puppet.
She likes the puppet. Can I see the puppet?
Sure. And here's the story that me and my friend made. This is my story that Thomas and me made up. Okay. Jason was very sad because he had no friends at all. Juicy, which is my puppet.
Juicy?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, it says right here, Juicy.
Oh my god. Hello everyone, I'm Juicy.
It's a girl, not a boy.
I'm Juicy.
Oh my god. That was not very good.
Whatever. And this?
That's the setting.
Ooh.
A little garden. That's where they got.
I'm Juicy.
That's such a high-pitched voice.
Whatever. Her name's Juicy. So, hi everybody. Yeah, Isabel and I did not vlog today. Oh my gosh, that food I'm moving. Oh, I do not. I finally did that bag of laundry. See it right there, that bag. And I just have to put those socks together, but I already put all the clothes away. So, and I got it in early before I even took Jess to school, so I felt accomplished. Okay, guys. Okay, so first of all, last night Tim snored so bad. I could not sleep. I am exhausted.
I cannot sleep.
He snores really loud all the time, right?
Yeah.
I don't think he knows just how bad. I mean, I've recorded him, but he kind of laughs it off. I don't think he understands how disruptive it is when someone else is trying to sleep. And he tends to face me when we're in the bed, and it's like behind me, and it's super annoying. So I just recorded him because he's napping on the couch. He has to go to work tonight. Oh, now I feel bad. Oh well, so he has to work tonight, and I just recorded him for 3.5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is play it on our speaker. I'm gonna put the speaker next to him, and I'm gonna come back here, and I'm just gonna play it and see if his own snoring will wake him up. He's probably gonna be annoyed, but again, oh well. Should
Can you hear it?
I'll probably set the camera up over there. Yeah, I'll probably leave the camera there too.
Can you hear it, Mommy?
Okay, let's see how this goes.
A few moments later.
Why are you playing with me?
Oh, you show your gut and everything. Oh my gosh. Did you wake yourself up? I told him that when you snore, I don't sleep. And that I don't think you really understand how disruptive it is. So I recorded you for like 3 minutes. And then
I heard it. I'm like, what the hell?
it's yourself. It took a long time. This has been recording for 6 minutes. Relax. Do you like it? Yes. I got the girls some satin pillowcases. It's good for the hair. I sleep on one. It's good for the skin. Here's Miss Belle. You like it? Smells good. I washed it, right? Smells good? Hello? Oh, she's already sleeping. Oh no. She really loves her pillowcase. She's already sleeping. She moves so much. Oh no. Too close, too close. You like it? Oh, I'm sorry. Good night, sweetheart. No, don't. Okay, thank you. She wants to give you guys a kiss. Good night. And she's gonna wipe that kiss. All right. Well, thank you. My lens thanks you. Oh my gosh, so yummy. I love you so much. She laughed. That was an evil laugh. Good night, honey.
I hope that wasn't a juicy kiss. I love juicy kisses.
Good night. I love you, girls. Have sweet dreams. Hello, get in bed.
I don't want to go to sleep.
Get in bed. Tomorrow's your favorite day.
What?
Wednesday.
Computers? I hate computers.
Okay, girls.
Bye, Mommy.
Lights out in 5, 4. Oh my gosh, she's not wearing pants. Let's just lower the camera.
Vlog me then.
I didn't realize you already took your pants off.
My pants are 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.